Hello, everyone. Good morning. Hello, hello. Yeah. How are you guys? How's your morning? Did you trade pre-market plan? Did you trade your pre-market? Because my pre-market plan already played out. Like, like, like always. Yeah, this candle was kind of tricky when it was forming on 5-minute chart. I was like, okay, we got huge wicks, small body. I mean, like, okay, makes lots of sense. Yes, my name is Dasha. um, How to trade AM session? Actually, it's on my YouTube channel. It calls like intraday buys. Well, let's talk about market right now. Still, it's kind of still hard for me to say for sure, but I don't really mind to see slightly higher to drop hard. So, ideally, what I want to see, maybe like this. I know like lots of people would like to short immediately right at the open, even lower. But we will stay at equilibrium of previous range. So lots of people want to see this right at the open, but if you can do like this, it's going to be better in my opinion. What do you think? So we will see. I don't want to miss a short if it wants to short today. So it's still consolidation on high time frame. We are in premium right now. So I can anticipate, something like this. Like this. So my scenario yesterday, so this is what I expect to get yesterday. Not sure if I can paste this. Probably not. Let me try to save this. Give me 1 second. I'm going to show you something. Where is this picture that I saved? Oh, here we go. So that was my plan yesterday. Like this. So yesterday I kind of anticipated to see a bit lower. It was what time it was? 9 p.m. So lower, then possible attempt to break above previous week high levels and short. This is what I would like to see. But who actually knows? Maybe just wants to drop. Just like also possible, right? I don't know. Like really. No idea. From what I can see so far, I kind of would, maybe at the open it will retrace lower, but for some reason I really would like to see higher first and then drop. For some reason, I don't know why. If it's going to drop right at the open, I'm going to be disappointed because this kind of doesn't really make sense. So if it wants to be just, drop right at the open. But I don't know, like we will see. So no idea. It's open, yeah. Guys, what is your opinion about market today? Up? Down? Higher. So you would like to see previous week high taken. At least break above Asia high and then drop. It will be amazing. That's for me at least. If I may go higher first and then drop, it's going to be textbook for me. If it's just going to drop immediately, I'm going to be disappointed. Right now, kind of would like to see higher. Okay, what is going on so far? Oh, that's amazing. Can you please break above Asia high? That's all I ask. If you can take previous week high level, it's going to be even better than birthday gift. So both took PPI high, so basically data high. So let's see. So we got, can I call this like equal highs? Probably yes. So we broke this liquidity level right here. We're still inside 15-minute fair value gap. New York midnight open. I would like to see still higher, so I don't want to see reversal from here. Break above Asia high, previous week high taken, reversal. Which makes more sense than just drop. I think it will go higher until 1 p.m. Everything is possible, so I'm not going to say like, no, it's not. I don't know. Like, simply, I don't know. So, still would like to see break above Asia high. Nothing changed. Pretty much tricky 15-minute candles right here, right? So, nothing significant yet. It's not my birthday. My birthday in July, so it's just like, it was a joke. July 8th. July 8th. July 1st. Lots of people was born in July. Yeah, that's great. That's great. So looking for previous week high taken. Once again, it just made a little bit more sense than just immediately drop. So far we have SMT, right? Okay. Let's see if we may break above previous week high level. What I would like to see. Like this? Maybe. Okay, if it wants to be like perfect long trade idea, we can actually try to scalp this. No entry. It was immediate move up at the open. So, I mean, if you were in trade since pre-market, maybe you got an entry. But right now, yeah, we have equal highs right here, like major buy side liquidity. I agree with you right here. So right now, let's just focus and see what is going to happen next 10-15 minutes. Right? Yes, rejection block. Okay. Rejection block, SMT, which should ideally should offer retracement to go higher, you know? So in order to short, we must have any signs of reversal yet. Right now, we don't have any yet, right? Let's see. Equal highs 968. Yeah, previous week high preferably, not going to lie. We just took daily manipulation level, British manipulation level on NQ. Okay, let's see. So we got fair value gap right here. Nothing more, just fair value gap. You want to tell me YM is dropping right now? What a joke. Got a question? Of course. Of course. What is your question? Oh, you don't need any indicators, just trust me. I don't usually use indicators. So we got SMT, minor SMT and lower time frame. We got this. Hard to say, like it's OB. We retrace down to first presented fair value gap. How to draw projections right now? It's maybe impossible to draw good projections. It's only possible like on 15-second chart. Okay, we already broke below first presented fair value gap. So this SMT trying to hold so far. We just got change in the state of delivery right here. I don't know which leg do I need to use, honestly. If it wants to be big sell off, this means forced initiation is going to line up with previous day low level, which is not coincident. TGIT, yes. Exactly, this is what I would like to see. Right to 20% so far. So this pink box is TGIT box. So without maybe, let's focus right now. Let's see what can happen. We have equilibrium of previous range, by the way, lower. What about 5-minute chart offer change in the state of delivery, by the way? It's interesting and tricky at the same time. Because seems like 5-minute chart is about to offer smart money reversal. Opening range gap. Okay, let's see. Yeah, could have been previous the range. I have this level at 719. It's like partial level. Since force and deviation lines up with previous day low level, it doesn't really look bad. Right? Trying to be patient right now. Do we have any news at 10? I guess no, right? No, any. So far we traced to 20% of weekly range. Doesn't really seems like it wants to offer OT, but once again, let's see. So we entered this fair value gap so far. We got a couple of inversion fair value gaps in this move down. Nothing I would take as well yet. Because logically, if it wants to be like drop right now from Asia high, which is like okay, silver bullet will be second stage of redistribution. Let me open 2-minute chart on another screen. So from what I can see, we got 2-minute inversion as well. We did trace back to far open. Not really, by the way, far open yet. Let's see. I'm trying to be focused right now. Since we don't have any news at 10, this means we can get like, okay, it's going to be perfect silver bullet. I hope so. Trump speaking today, what time? SPX close a gap from yesterday, right? Yeah, I see this. Still feels like SPX inside consolidation, right? So it's kind of 1 p.m. Okay, 1 p.m. Thank you. Okay. After 1, this means we will get. Not trades yet. Yeah, not trades yet. We will get something huge. Because if it wants to be bullish right now, this means PM may drop hard. Why? What? Why? I'm looking right now if we can inverse this fair value gap, because if so, it will try to make a new high again, high of the day. Very important to see. Like right now, let's give it a time to develop setup. Oh yeah, you're right about this, by the way. So far we got 15-minute liquidity sweep. Look at this 15-minute candle so far. Look at these small 15-minute candles before this. It's extremely tricky right now. And that's interesting. Is it going to drop like AM session or after 1 p.m.? Because for some reason, I feel like we should drop. Could go up, could go down. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Yeah, my concern at this drop, so I like no FOMO, no chasing, was only it was kind of good to see previous week high taken, but instead it failed. Okay, before 9 today I was like 101% we will reach previous week high level. After this reversal, I was like, maybe I'm wrong. And now, right now, I feel like, I don't know. So far it failed to close above this fair value gap. Let's see if it wants to display offer OB right here. So we trace back to New York midnight open bear and premium on ES. We were slightly in premium on NQ as well. Not going to mean rush. So no matter what we have right now, for example, like 30-second breaker block, let's focus. So far, yeah, we already have SMT. So NQ took Asia high while ES failed. So we got minor SMT, we got medium time frame SMT as well. So we got change in the state of delivery right here. Both went from premium to discount again. And both stuck inside a daily open level so far. Oh, sorry, guys. See how it failed to close above inversion fair value gap right here. And still close inside this fair value gap right here. How many points we're away? 80 points away from data low. 5-minute chart looks tricky. Look at this. That's all I can say so far. On 15-minute chart, we have volume imbalance, right? Yeah, over lower, I feel like I would like to see 719 today. Not today, like IM session. And first standard deviation so far lines up with previous day low level. Let me see how big range right now. Just for like, from this candle, 35 points. 35 points. I was like, maybe it's like 60, 70 points, but no. I'm not ready to short as well right now. So just trying to be patient. No, I'm not going to short right now. No, I just decided to see how big range. Range not that big so far. So sit in my hands. Just a bit concerned right now that it's trying to respect New York midnight open, but it's okay. Still, I cannot find solid short opportunities. That's why I'm not looking for short right now. Yeah, if we can take previous week high level based on our original plan, it's going to be much better than just drop right here. But we never know. We never know. So far, trying to respect this OB right here, still inside this inversion on 1 minute chart and 2 minute chart. So, we got, by the way, inversion right here, right? I'm going to remove this OB for now at least. For me, in my opinion, no reason to trade before 10. Makes sense, wait for SPX has equal lows. Yes, equal lows candle, not quite the same. Okay. Let me highlight equal lows. I'm going to wait for 10. So 10 may offer new manipulation. So it's going to be a little bit more better picture. I hope so, at least. Just not going to chase anything. Just, in my opinion, like low quality so far setups. Does the moon? Yep, probably. Everything is possible. We have inversion right here. You know, we kind of stuck between two inversions, still inside bearish inversion, and we got bullish inversion so far. So, trying to respect daily open, like, still kind of low quality in my opinion. So nothing worth the risk. Nothing worth the risk. If it like wasn't consolidation, I could think about this. Right now, tricky. We took buy side liquidity, Asia liquidity data high, inversion. You know, sometimes it's good for you, for everyone, look for ES as well. What ES did? What ES should do right now? I want to see previous week high taken, maybe even higher, then drop all the way down to equilibrium of previous range and possibly previous day low level. That was a plan. Incurity above New York midnight open so far. Yes, still slightly below this level. But I hope we can take previous week high level. So the test of New York midnight open on yes right now. Like 50 points away from previous week high so far. So let's see. Let's see. Previous week high level on market is a scam. Yeah, let's see. You're funny, guys. Okay, it's almost 10 a.m. Asia high test. On 1 hour chart, we got minor sell side liquidity sweep. So after this, what time it was? Give me 1 second. At 9 a.m. Yeah, this liquidity sweep right here. It's 10. Okay, we got new range so far. Manipulation right near previous week high level. There's opposite manipulation near this 1 minute inversion fair value gap. So I don't understand why it's so different. Can you send me a screenshot of yours? So I will check. I have default settings. Send me please screenshot in Twitter. I will check. I will check if you don't mind. Okay, it's about to take previous week high level. Asia high taken. Can we take previous week high level? So we reach distribution level on ES. We reach distribution level again on NQ. Previous week high failed to be taken, which is a bit annoying. Interesting rejection, honestly. SPX entered 15 at BPR again and gave us immediate reaction. This market is funny. This is why I said I'm going to wait for like silver bullet. Only one smart decision. It's ridiculous. It's like literally ridiculous. Let's see. So let's see. So close and size is fair value gap so far. That's so tricky since ES failed to take data high, failed to take previous week high level. It's crazy. That's crazy. I mean, that's crazy so far. I don't know what to say. I was looking for short above previous week high level so far. I'm like confused. This reversal could be amazing, brilliant if we can reverse from previous week high level. But like 3 points away is just I don't know what to say about this. That's just crazy. Like even like right now, look at this week. It's even more crazy. I don't know what to say, just funny. We trace back to this inversion fair value gap. Basically, we trace to this floor manipulation level. We got 1 hour BPR. Let me see. I don't really see any. Like no FOMO right now. Just crazy, a bit crazy. They failed to take this level. I mean, like, okay, previous week it failed to be taken, but with this move up, it failed to take even like news high, Tuesday high. So many questions. Yeah, trying to respect ejection block. That's all I can see so far. It's so confusing, not going to lie. Or market just crazy. It seemed like so obvious liquidity pool, but instead they just reversed 3 points away, which is like no comments. We don't have any inversions, no? We don't have any. Barely close below this level right here. Once again, if I see hyperbolic setup, I will enter like in front of your eyes. But right now, I cannot enter like at all because I simply cannot understand this, I would say. So it's like reclaimed fair value gap right here. See how we're trying to respect New York midnight open is still bullish. Oh, you just said exactly the same what I want to say. Fail to close below 900, it's so still bullish. Yeah, I agree with you. This is what I just said. Life doesn't make sense sometimes. Yeah, you're right. No trades yet. Not trades yet. And it's okay for me. Because I could be like bearish right now if it can take like previous week high level, but since it failed to take this level, I cannot like be bearish at this point. It's just so hard to be bearish. Or I probably missing something. Just I cannot be bearish right now. I don't know, like nothing is guaranteed right now. We did trace to OT right here. We got 1 minute OB, reaction from New York midnight open, failed to close below this level. I don't know, like, it's so tricky. Let me connect accounts, but right now nothing is guaranteed, honestly. We'll trade 20 epics. It's playing games so far. It's just kind of tricky. What else can I see? I kind of like this idea, but as you can see, I'm not on trade right here. I just logically, we should go higher. Logically. Okay, let me focus a little bit. A little bit. Hello, hello. Great question. When NVIDIA is going higher, no matter what macro data is, to not sell. That's absolutely amazing question. Trust peaked at 1. Yes, I remember. I remember, guys. Any trades yet? Not today. Not yet. At least right now. I kind of look at this, but a bit tricky. So close stream. Okay, I'm not in this, so just too tricky for me for now. Why I was considering this long? Reason was right here and right here we reversed from nowhere. We reversed from nowhere. And in order to drop, we must take liquidity level. In order to like go up, we must take liquidity level. And this drop was like 3 points away from previous week high level, which, by the way, buy side liquidity, right? So resistance. And it was just doesn't really make sense to drop without taking liquidity levels. Even like right now, they're not done yet. This move up, we got SMT, but still doesn't make sense. We need to take liquidity level if it wants to drop. $40 for one contract on NQ is $800. For one MNQ, it's $80. We reversed from 50% of data range. Okay. Lol. Data high taken. It was tricky, so. I have next stop at 50% of daily week right here at 106.50. Equal highs. Doesn't really look bad, but kind of high for me. Too high for me. Institute. So basically, like it's institutional level, like psychological level, you know. Open, close, open. Now what? It still go high. It should go higher. So I would say like 22K and probably like break above institutional level. It's like, rounded level, psychological level. Next button. Yes, I agree with your zone. Yes. We have equal highs right here as well. Another equal highs. Standard deviation doesn't really make sense to use them right now. I mean, normally I use them. Like, doesn't make sense to use them right now. Right now, we're in the range between 4 and 4.5. Okay, even like better for us. Still kind of don't mind to see a bit higher. I like the data high taken on yes already. At least liquidity level taken. This was also equal highs, right? Tuesday high was equal highs. I'm going to remove this, so that's like conservative level target right here. I would like to see drop today. Original plan was moved to previous week high level, maybe a bit higher than drop. That was original plan. Feel like not done yet with this move up, so preferably maybe institutional level right here. Maybe a bit higher than in this institutional level than short. Which is the plan? So basically we have 1 minute fair value gap, 2 minute, 5 minute fair value gap right now. If I'm not mistaken, institutional level that ends like this. That's institutional level. I don't remember from what source I learned this, but it's like institutional levels. I don't know what like won in ages, but it was like this. Maybe even ICT explains that. I cannot say for sure where I learned this. Cannot provide the source. Disappeared. Right here. Okay, right here. Okay. It's like institutional levels. So he uses for forks, but I guess for end user that works as well. What model do you use? Like enter and pray. That's my model. So right now, just looking for possible institutional level taken. Take a demo trade. I don't trade demo at all. I mean, if you consider like funded account as a demo, because it's actually can be like sim account, then yes. But I don't trade demo at all. And hope to be rich faster. So trying to expect 5-minute fair value gap, 1-minute fair value gap so far. Institutional level is like psychological level, you know? Yeah, Replikanto, yeah. You short? It's not done yet. It's not even done with this level right here. Okay. We have big issue with demo trades. I figure out when you start trading demo, you're trying to take every single trade because like no fear in this. And you simply trying to forget about like your deal accounts from like, it just doesn't really make sense to trade demo. Because you can execute this on demo, but in reality, you will not be able to execute it on this, like at least on funded account. So it's like addiction to trade demo for lots of people. They can show me like, oh, I enter it right here, but it's on demo. On demo, I could enter like everywhere where I want to enter because no risk. What's the point? To trade demo. I don't see any point to trade demo. Especially if people trying to show me then like, I entered it right here, it was so obvious, but when I see like it's on demo, I'm like, okay, goodbye. For when you like start learning study how to execute. Absolutely nothing wrong with this. But showing me like yesterday got lots of comments where people long from the bottom and like it was easy long, but I saw it was on demo. Like, why do you need to care about this? Show me it's at least on funded account. Then like I will say good job. On demo I could execute, I don't know, like everywhere where I wanted without any risk. Loss, okay, loss, whatever. I traded them just a long time ago. Guys, even when I practice on funded account. Yeah, that's why I said, what do you mean by demo? Like, funded account is a sim, but it's a little bit like different sim account, because from the sim account I can make like real money, but I cannot make real money from demo. I mean, paper money account. Yeah, this is what I meant. You got it. So don't be so hard. I mean, yesterday like just was funny. Lots of people sent me like screenshots with their loans. I was like, okay, amazing. Amazing trade taken on demo. That was my comment. How long time ago? Like 2 years ago. I mean, I don't hate demo, but it just like doesn't really make sense to show executions taken on demo. You got this. You got my point, guys. I mean, what do you consider as demo? I'm trading like funded accounts. Is a demo? Yeah, it probably. I don't know. Let's see. SPX is about RTH gap, alt RTH gap. So my top target today was previous week high level. It's so hard for me to long above previous week high level because my top target once again was previous week high level. %50 of daily wick taken. SPX entered at old RTH gap. We have equal highs right here and major buy-side liquidity right here. But once again, I did not expect that high. That's why I didn't take any longs above previous week high level. It was too high for me already. I shouldn't do anything. If you see setup, take it. I'm not here to provide your signal. I take on the trades that I'm confident in. If I'm not confident, what's the reason to take the trade? Even like with small stop loss, what's the point? I'm not scared. Like, I'm not confident in this trade. What's the reason to take it? I don't really understand your comments recently. I did not take any trades, guys. I already said that. I'm not here to say like where you need to enter, where you need to like exit. If you see setup, take it. I mean, why you're waiting for me? I don't understand this. Absolutely nothing wrong with taking long if you're comfortable with this long. But if you're not comfortable, I mean, why I should force any trades? No, just like, just for your information, I would say. All-time high? Not really. At least no for now. Yeah, it went too much for me, went higher too much for me, so I did not expect that like move higher. I mean, I could expect institutional level, previous week high level, but not right here. Yeah, I'm trying to follow my original plan. Yeah, we will see. So, don't really want to trade PM session, but maybe. We never know. What was my original plan? My original plan was move up to previous week high level, maybe slightly higher, then drop. So I'm not sure about short zone because it was like from here. I'm not confident with higher move. The reason why I did not take long right here was like it was above my top target for today. SPX touched 50% of RTH gap. I don't know, my settings set by default. Which indicator? Which indicator are you looking for? Yeah, I'd be disappointed I did not take this 2-minute inversion to previous week high level, but whatever. Like in hindsight, yes, it's textbook. In real time, it was kind of tricky. What levels do we have? Yeah, SPX is not only OT of the gap, but 50%, like reaction rate from 50% so far. So we touch this level right here. Ideally, I would like to see the retracement a bit lower. We got flat candle right here. See this? OT volume imbalance. Okay. 15-minute chart. Looks like we got multi-minute inversion so far. We got multi-minute inversion. Not big one. 1-minute inversion as well. Not good to like, kind of hard day for me today. We have equal highs a bit higher on 4-hour chart right here. We have dejection block right here on 1-hour chart, if I'm not mistaken. Or 15-minute chart. So I'm going to keep my eyes on this flat candle. That's 1-minute flat candle. As possible retracement level. PM session. I mean, only disappointed with I could try this, but once again, in hindsight it was like obvious. In real time it wasn't. Now the question if we made a trace to this flat candle. Yeah, because we don't have wick. Like it's flat, wickless candle, flat candle, no wick candle. So we have fair value gap right here. We're still inside 5-minute fair value gap on ES. Bullish fair value gap. Looks like NQ still only touch the top of this fair value gap, right? Yeah, we didn't touch 5-minute bullish fair value gap yet. How did I know that we have a 2-minute inversion? Because I have 2-minute chart open on another screen. So I steam on 1-minute chart, but I have 2-minute chart open as well. So basically left this equal lows right here. Main question if we made a trace right here first is that if it wants to continue going higher, but at least the trace went right here. It's not that big drop, like 30, 40 points lower. It would be nice to see. Don't actually have any SMT right here. Yeah, nothing. My bias was previous week high level than short, a bit higher than short. We have for our SMT, where? You mean at highs, lows? I believe highs. So my original plan was short, so I will look if I may see any short opportunities next 15-20 minutes. If nothing, then okay. Then okay. Not shade at this point. Short somewhere right here, like bigger drop. Maybe to this sell side liquidity. Back to daily open. We have sell side liquidity right here. You know. But right now, simply hard to short this. So we have a rejection block, height from rejection block right here. So what can happen? Maybe. What is this, by the way? I know. Maybe like this. Maybe just move up above this buy side liquidity. We enter in this rejection block. We have equal highs right here and short. So I will trust, I guess, 2-minute, 5-minute change in the state of the DV to try to short. I took this equal low so far. Yeah, daily distribution right above equal highs right here. Let's see. $123 previous week high. I mean, yeah, it works. Do you trade PM session? I don't know. Like, really, I don't know. Normally, yes. Today, I don't know. So far, kind of hard week for me. I don't know why. Like, it's, I mean, not hard to understand where market is going, just hard to find entry for me for some reason. But it's okay. Just this kind of period right here in my life. So equal lows taken. You know, it's not about amount of points I can make. It's about like quality of setup that I see. I would say. So we have liquidity right here. So we have rejection block right above this level. So I will look for, like logically, I will look for higher to break above this high to enter this rejection block. But the question is they want to retrace to this flat candle first, wickless candle first, then move up, then move down again. Yeah. Looks like time distortion so far, or consolidation. Hard to find projection right here so far. I don't know which one I would like to trust. Yeah, it's kind of important. So basically, it's like delayed manipulation. So this candle doesn't have manipulation. We got open, range expansion, mean distribution, close. That's it. So basically, low of this candle lines up with open of this candle, which doesn't really have this manipulation, right? So it's not liquidity level, just like expected delayed manipulation. That's what I see. Now the question, if you could take this high right here, enter this rejection block. Not that far from previous week high on a yes. You got this inversion. It's like 15 points away. Hadi scan. 3 points. I have problem with... Guys, can you hear me? Yeah, something went wrong with my OBS. I was like, okay. Hello again. Internet bills. It says like OBS reconnected. I don't know. So looking for this liquidity right here so far. So if we may take this, enter this rejection block right here, and offer 2-minute or 5-minute smart money reversal, changing the state of delivery, it can be potential short. From what I can see, still trying to hold 2-minute inversion. What is happening with your team? It should be okay, I believe. It's just ejection block. Just don't remember which time frame it was. It's the ejection block right here. That's pretty much it. 15-minute rejection block. 1-hour rejection block. Oops. Sometimes ejection block is enough. So I highlighted the range where we can actually continue going higher, but once again, let's see. We don't have any SMT yet, so let's see. So we got 3 up close candles in a row right here, which can be potential change in the state of delivery. What about reversal? So right now it's tricky to say. So my upper targets that I have, as you can see, don't have any levels right here. Right now, only previous week high level. And so far, SPX tested 50% of our TH gap without giving us any retracement. So I would say if it wants to reverse, it will reverse from here without taking previous week high level. And for this, SPX will also drop. But if it wants to continue going higher, we will take previous week high level. I don't see any levels on this move up from current price. It's like 13 points higher, 12 points higher. We don't have 15-minute liquidity, so we actually have nothing so far. Consolidation, that's pretty much it. Only disappointed with this move. That's pretty much it. Not with this mess right here. I was bullish only to previous week high level. Maybe a bit higher, 22K, but not higher than 22K. That was only one confusion for me. Level just institutional level. It's like psychological level. It's still trying to hold 2-minute inversion fair value gap. We got SMT between ES and NQ. We're still inside this OB right here. Not really. Yeah, it's not really SMT. This line's up with footprint imbalance. You mean long from here? Can you see a drop to this level right here? Back to 22K. You're still in long. Good job. That's all I can say. I'm just looking right now at SPX. Still would like to see at least minor reaction. 885. Oh, right here. Okay. This long wasn't bad, just kind of tricky for me. What level are you trying to aim for? Why do you shake? What? So we're still inside this OB right here. Ugly consolidation. Oh my god. I'm not comfortable with your final target, honestly. What time? Still here, so I don't know what time it's going to end. Kind of interesting. Still trying to sit inside this OB right here, but I cannot. Yeah, on 2-minute chart it looks absolutely ugly. On 5-minute chart as well. At the open. Yeah, in hindsight, yes, it was only the trade. I agree with you. I mean, yeah, it's logically obvious. It's so obvious right now. Still trying to hold this OB right here. We got minor sweep of the sell side liquidity. I'm not going to lie. I would like to see a weekless candle right here, but who knows? Who knows? They may leave this for later today, so it may just continue going higher to this liquidity right here, which is also possible, by the way. Not that big range. So whatever. It's not really equal lows. It just liquidity sweep. Oh, you don't need to prove anything. Yeah, you trade your funded accounts. I can prove it. I mean, I can confirm this. I expect to get first the reversal profile. Yesterday I was so confident with reversal. But when I analyzed the chart before I decided to go to bed, I was like, drop is coming. Like from this range we are right now, I wanted to see like huge drop. But instead, they just continue going higher. This means my plan is invalidated. And yeah, you probably want to tell me like trade what market is trying to give you in real time. But when I don't have any targets higher, what I can trade? I mean, nothing. I'm going to sit here longer then. So far, it's consolidation. From what I can see, we just move from premium to discount, from discount to premium. And yes, trying to hold this OB right here after we got minor sweep. But I would say if like 1 minute chart doesn't really look bad, that's 5 minute chart, guys. So to trace back to institutional level, still we have flat candle right here, nothing changed. 3 minute chart. Interesting how they're trying to hold this OB. The trace offered propulsion block. How I can raise this 2 minute inversion? It's not that bad. So this inversion, we're talking about this inversion right here. It's not that bad, but knowing that they left like higher time frame PD way higher, just a bit tricky to trade it. You're never happy. Yeah, I mean, this week is hard for me, like overall, not only in trading. just like hard. %50% of our fair value gap is here. Okay. Still trying to hold the sell stops right here, so nothing to trade for me. This one was okay. I could try, but since I wasn't confident with my bias, it was low quality. But I'm going to journal this since it wasn't bad. Just wasn't comfortable with my bias. Kind of wants to short, but wants to see higher as well. It was tricky, so I'm not going to lie. I'm not your mom. Come on. But since today is Thursday, I expected to see, I expected to see like Thursday reversal profile. Never happened. Never happened, so far we have Monday low of the week and Thursday high of the week. Very strange profile. Looking for this weekless candle, flat candle. I'm too young to be your mom. Oh, I use TradeZella to journal trades. My performance wasn't great today. Analysis was fine, but wasn't able to find high quality setups. This is why I'm disappointed. Only reason why I'm disappointed. Yeah, probably I will give it like 5 more minutes. I will be done. We'll sit and journal. Just will try to understand what I missed today. But I'm absolutely not going to. It was kind of tricky right here. In real time. We got huge drop right here, right here, right here, and it was tricky. So especially right here, I couldn't like say for sure if it like was reversal or just retracement. But eventually it was retracement to continue going higher. Let's see if we can take it. But from the very beginning, guys, they were trying to hold this inversion, right? So we never broke above this level. Once we closed, so it was holding. Wasn't that bad, I would say. A bit tricky delivery right here, but overall not bad. Okay, I'm going to be done, I guess. I'm going to sit and journal right now to understand what I missed. Because today wasn't a bad day. I would say I can say it was good price action. It's just me. It's just me. My issue. Okay, guys, I will see you later. I'm going to sit and journal right now. I don't want to chase anything. I don't have any FOMO right now. Just I'd rather to spend my time on journal right now than just sit and look at these candlesticks without doing anything. It's just like main move happened, so no reason to sit and wait for a plus setup, right? Just, I'm going to be transparent with you. No reason right now to sit and wait for something. Will spend my time on something better. Okay, guys, I will see you later. I wish you good luck. Don't chase. No FOMO. Just wait for setup. Yeah, guys. Bye-bye.